Hi there. Welcome to Design Cafe, where we help you transform your home into a masterpiece. I am Rukmini Saha, and today I am going to help you run through all the essential steps to do the interiors of your home. Whether you're starting from scratch or just trying to refresh your space, we have got you covered. The very first step in designing your home is understanding your space. Take note of the size, shape, and natural light in each room. This will help you decide how to arrange your furniture, choose the right color palette, and maximize functionality. Remember, the goal is to create a space that feels open and comfortable while reflecting your personal style. Next, let's define your style. Are you drawn to the clean lines of modern design, the coziness of a traditional space, or perhaps the simplicity of minimalism? Take inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, or if you're not sure, you can read our blog here or watch some videos by Design Cafe. Once you have a clear idea, stick to it throughout your home to create a cohesive look. Now, let's talk about colors. Choosing the right color palette is very important because that sets the mood of your home. You can explore from the 50,000 plus design possibilities available at Design Cafe. Light colors can make small spaces feel larger, while darker tones add warmth and coziness. Don't be afraid to experiment with accent walls or pops of color through accessories and artwork. Moving on to furniture, as it plays a big role in your interior design. Start by selecting key pieces that serve as the focal point for each room: a sofa for the living room, a bed for the bedroom, and so on. Then arrange these pieces to enhance the flow of the room. Multifunctional furniture is a great way to save space and add versatility to your home. Lighting is another key element in interior design because lighting changes the entire look and feel of your home. You can also use natural light and enhance it by using sheer curtains and mirrors. Then layer in artificial lighting, ambient for overall illumination, task lighting for specific areas like reading nooks, and accent lighting to highlight features like artwork. Finally, add personal touches to make your house feel like home. Accessories like artwork, family photos, and unique decor pieces bring personality and warmth to your space. Don't overdo it though. Too many items can make your space feel cluttered. That's it for today. Designing your home is all about creating that space which is functional, stylish, but uniquely yours. Do let us know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Design Cafe, and also click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Design Cafe. You can also check out our website to not miss out on any offers running on home interiors. I'll see you again in the next episode.